and I so find you guilty of this third-degree felony. I am following this agreement. You are hereby sentenced to confinement in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to serve a term of 10 years, and this sentence shall run concurrently with the sentence in the murder case previously assessed today in cause number 22-39802. The indictment and the arraignment here, can we proceed in summary?
We waive full reading, Judge.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about April 14th, 2022, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the first-degree felony.
This is yours. It's
of murder by shooting the victim with a deadly weapon, namely a firearm. Do you understand what you were charged with?
Sir.
If convicted of a first-degree felony, you face a term of life imprisonment or any term of not more than 99 years or less than 5 years in prison. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand the punishment range applicable?
Yes, sir.
An agreement has been reached in your case that you would be pleading guilty, sentenced to 10 years in prison. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
mine.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to see today. How do you plead to the allegation of murder in this indictment, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily and because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1 there. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Understand it? Discuss it with your attorney, Mr. Kelly. Is everything true and correct?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence.
Yes.
Without objection, it's admitted. Among other things, sir, the states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. This is being made freely and voluntarily. You know what you've been charged with, and the indictment's read to you. You've read it. You were guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. Totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true. It states, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1, it's made a part of the record for all purposes. Is a pre-sentence report ready to?
Yes, please, sir.
I will follow this agreement. Anything else to add on that? If
Not on that case, Judge.
Just, Your Honor, was requesting the allocution be allowed for tomorrow morning.
Yeah. But anything else to add on this?
No, Your Honor. No.
Okay, if nothing further, I will make the findings that Mr. Everfield, you are indeed mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's being made freely and voluntarily. You know what you've been charged with here. It black. It went black. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You are guilty of the crime charged in any lesser inclusion of this. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. Totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer, all who so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. Anything else to add?
Not on that case, Judge.
All right, I'm going. Do you understand what has happened today, sir? Okay. The only other additional finding the court is going to make is that the judgment shall reflect affirmative finding that a deadly weapon, namely a firearm, was used in the commission of this offense, and that will be reflected in the judgment. Do you understand? Anything else? Now we have another case.
Yes, sir.
And this is cause number 23CR1270. And what do we?
Here's this one if you want to just hold it out and then.
We had to start over from the beginning. So good. Machinery's not working right now. It's a good sign. It's good luck in Haiti, but not here. Haiti. Call the second case on Mr. Everfield, and this is cause number 23CR1270. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment in this case?
Yes,
Can
I
we
do.
proceed in summary?
Thank you.
In this particular case, sir, the indictment alleges that on or about April 14th, 2022 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed a third-degree felony of tampering or fabricating with physical evidence with intent to impair it in a murder investigation. Do you understand what you were charged with?
Yes, sir.
If convicted, you face a term of not more than 10 years or less than 2 years in prison. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement has been reached in this case. You would be pleading guilty, sentenced to 10 years in prison. This runs concurrently.
Yes, Judge.
Will run concurrently with the murder case that you were just sentenced to in cause number 22-39802. Is that your understanding of the plan?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to this charge, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Yes.
So you're pleading guilty voluntarily, and because you are guilty,
Yes, sir.
I show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1 as well on this case. Did you sign that? Understand it? Discuss it with your attorney? Are the contents all true and correct?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 tendered into evidence.
Objection.
Without objection, it's admitted. Among other things, again, to state you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You are guilty of the crime charged and any lesser included offenses. You are given up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. Totally satisfied with the representation of your attorney on this case. All true as states, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purpose. Pre-sentence report waived.
Yes, Judge.
If nothing further, I'm going to follow this agreement and find Mr. Everfield in this third-degree felony of tampering or fabricating with physical evidence. I am going to find you are mentally competent to do this. You will have an understanding of what you're charged with. You understand fully the consequences of pleading guilty. There's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, and I so find you guilty of this third-degree felony. I am following this agreement. You will hereby sentenced to confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to serve a term of 10 years, and this sentence shall run concurrently with the sentence in the murder case previously assessed today in cause number 22-39802. Do you understand what has happened, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Nothing more.
That is all. Thank you.
Thank you.